Hi, good morning YouTube. Sackboymahalo here with another video. And this time we're gonna do a video about how the post is anchored. Uh, since there's quite a few questions that we're asking. Like one question was, do I pour concrete on the hole once I put the concrete post in there? So I don't make a concrete footing for the post. I just put the post once it's cured uh, in the hole. Okay, so the very first thing that I do is dig a hole, which is about 18-inch deep. uh, from the level of the soil, of course. So 18-inch deep, so I can embed the concrete posts 1.5 feet deep. So this post here that I'll be making is 6 feet in length. Okay, another question is how is the post anchored? So because of the weight of the post itself plus the depth of the hole, it pretty much stays upright, and like this one here. So just to make sure, once you put the post in the hole, just make sure it's all level. You need a level to make sure that it's straight up and down. Okay, and by the way, this is also a detailed description of how I make the posts. So you have 3 rebars here, which is I'm using 3/8 inch in diameter. That's the one that holds the rubber or the tire for your top support. And then you have the center rebar right here. That's 6 feet long. That's only one in the middle. Since a concrete post, you have basically this one here is like your center skeleton, your skeleton that holds the post. And then this one here, the rebars, the 3/8 inch, they're just embedded like 2 feet in the post. I have a previous video on how I bend the support rebars. So this center rebar is 1/2 inch in diameter, like here. And then you have this bar ties that I put in the middle, so you can pretty much suspend it in the middle of the concrete post once you pour the concrete. So these are bar ties that holds the rebar, like this one here. Here's another bar tie. And this is the concrete that I use, which is 90 pounds per bag. So I use about 1 3/4 of a bag. So if you look at it, 1 3/4 of the bag, and then plus the weight of the rebar, it's close to 200 pounds. So pretty much the weight of the post itself anchors itself. Plus once you have the plants growing, so this is like a reinforcing tendons that holds the post up too. So it pretty much helps out everything. The weight of the post plus the 1.5 foot deep hole. So by the way, I also pour concrete right beside the hole. So once this one is cured, I can just lift it up and put it inside, because that's a lot of weight. That's about 200 pounds. And if you pour concrete away from the hole, then you'll be carrying that 200 pounds. So I pour concrete pretty much in place, close to the hole. And once it's easier to transfer, you don't have to transfer it, I mean. So just make sure your concrete form or post form, this, by the way, I've been using this for 2 years now. It's the same form that I've been using for the other posts that I constructed. So this is the same form that I use from the beginning. I just keep on using it. So just make sure this is level, so once you pour the concrete, you can have the concrete won't go on one side or the other. So it's leveled this way and plus this way also. All right, so I'll be making a series of videos once I to clarify things because of the viewer questions. So this is the first video for the series. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Have a good one. Bye bye.